The Self-Analytics Workshop focuses on the adoption of the wisdom of Bhagavad-Gita in your day-to-day work by refining the success strategies and ultimately optimizing them to help you expand your horizons in a sustainable manner. The fundamental goal of self-analytics is to prepare the participant with the tools and techniques needed to face challenges at the workplace and to overcome them through optimal means. How can you be inspired at work and be inspiring, whether it be working in teams or leading them? These are the next equally important objectives that we address through this workshop. Ultimately, the workshop will guide you through processes that will help you break free from limitations by applying the right attitudes and knowledge-based strategies. Self-Analytics, or the Applied Gita Intelligence Workshop, is delivered through 8 sessions that bring to the participants the generalized and abstract patterns of applied intelligence from the Bhagavad-Gita and fuses those values into the thought-powered strategies for the 21st century workplace. This workshop is brought to you by the Pattern Institute, which works to integrate India's eternal wisdom with modern workplace intelligence required to make star performers. These 8 sessions will help you to leverage the power of creativity, productivity, and enrichment through strategically employing power of initiatives, power of focus, power of ownership, and the powers of communication, multiple perspectives, and self-management. Patterns of strategies of work, karma, devotion, bhakti, and knowledge, jnana, are analyzed and synthesized in a manner never attempted till now to ignite the star in you. The end result will be a truly transformational learning experience for the participants, who will return to work and life as changed people, better equipped to handle challenges and take to leadership roles in the rapidly changing global environment. Self-analytics is truly Gita Intelligence in action.
As the faculty for this workshop, I have great pleasure in welcoming you to come and experience the milking of eternal wisdom to reinforce modern strategies for success at thought-powered workplaces. Register now for this path-breaking online workshop that is sure to benefit you by enabling the power of infinite self.
Understanding the concepts of Gita Intelligence or self-analytics like Yajna, Tyaga, Samarpana, Prasada Bhavas, and how each of them map to various success strategies that can be used at thought-powered workplaces like where I work, and what motivations and skills you can use to grow not just at work but also as a person is something I still benefit from.
My personal takeaway was the attitude of courageous conscience, which is knowledge-backed fearlessness.
Self-Analytics Workshop tries to blend Karma Yoga principles to the modern management theories and strategies for work.
One of them was the concept of Udret Atmanatmanam, which basically means to do things better than what we usually do.
It has also helped me understand that intrinsic motivation can push you out of your comfort zone, and also how focusing on your self-improvement can give you more contentment than focusing on the results of your actions.
It was really well structured and his classes were well paced. Also, Satish sir is someone with a real good experience and he could connect some practical examples to these sessions.
I think Gita Intelligence, it covers everything what you need to be knowing, whether it be in your career or in your education, or how you need to perform and how you need to work, how you need to excel.
The blend of spirituality, science, in simple step-by-step ways in our daily lives, in our work. I think the subject was very, very well researched by Satish ji, and I loved every bit of it. I practiced it, applied it in my life, and I have seen that there's a huge amount of change in the productivity